In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter free templates in Canva. If you've ever searched for a design in Canva and kept running into premium templates, you already know how frustrating that can be. You find something that looks perfect for your presentation, social media post, or resume, and then realize it's locked behind a paid plan. The good news is that Canva makes it pretty easy to narrow your search so you only see free options, and that's exactly what we're going to do. First, open Canva and make sure you're on the main dashboard or homepage. This is the best place to start because it gives you access to the full search bar and the widest range of template results. At the top of the screen, click into the search bar and type in the kind of design you want. For example, you might search for something like a minimalist business presentation, a modern Instagram flyer, or a clean resume layout. Once you've entered your search, press enter so Canva can load the full results page. After the search results appear, look just above the template thumbnails. You should see a toolbar with different options. On the left side of that area, find the button labeled All Filters and click it once. This opens Canva's filter panel where you can refine the results much more precisely. If you've never used this menu before, don't worry. It simply helps you sort the library so you can find exactly what you need faster. Now, inside that filter panel, scroll down carefully. You'll pass several categories, including things like style, theme, and layout options. Keep going until you reach the section labeled Price. This is the key area for what we're doing today, so take your time and make sure you don't accidentally select other filters unless you actually want to narrow the results even more. In the Price section, you'll see options for Pro and Free. Click the checkbox next to Free. This tells Canva to show only templates that are available at no cost. Then, look toward the bottom of the panel and click the Apply button. As soon as you do that, Canva will refresh the results for you. Once the page updates, the premium templates should disappear from the results, leaving only free templates behind. That means you can browse with a lot more confidence and avoid wasting time clicking into designs you can't use on the free plan. When you find a template you like, click on it, then select Customize this template to open it in the editor and start working. And that's it. You now know how to quickly filter free templates in Canva and make your design process much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the